Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Drawing View tool. Let's try it together. After entering the Design tool, click the Drawing button in the upper right window to open the Drawing View tool. Function 1. Adjust drawing view size. If you find the current view window too small, you can adjust the layout between the small window and the main canvas by clicking View Arrangement. When selecting Vertical Sliding Window, it will display a vertically stacked view. When selecting Left and Right Window, it will display a horizontally arranged view. When selecting Window Size Default, you can restore the default layout. Function 2. Switch views. Click the view node entry to switch between different view nodes, making it easier to check and compare different view effects. Function 3. Automatic annotation. Click the Auto Annotation button at the top right corner to instantly trigger and generate the default annotation effect in the drawing. Function 4. Quick access to drawing editing. Click Editing Drawing Views to switch tools immediately and enter the Drawing tool. After entering the Drawing tool, you can edit it as needed. If no editing is required, you can click Back to Design to go back to the Design tool. That's all. Thanks for watching.